prices.
Zoom in on his nose. I'm not gonna do your face, I promise.
Sorry, Ian, I didn't know it. I thought like it was a light spray.
Yeah.
Stupid.
You have really a bird sound. This one was a tiny baby eagle.
I don't know what you guys are talking about. That was not me. Don't you see the bird that flew by?
You would think we were stealing.
Don't you see the bird that... Hey everyone, so we have a very exciting trip to Jeju Island planned. Super fun. We just finished having dinner. We had to catch the first flight out of Seoul though to go to Jeju Island. So we're about to head out.
6 a.m. the flight.
Yeah, 6 a.m.
We'll
And what time is it now?
It's
I'll show
11.
it.
11.
It's
It's
11
11:03.
Yeah, so we're gonna head to Jjinjilbang. It's like a bathhouse, and we'll stay there for like 3 hours, and then at 3 a.m. we're gonna go to the airport for our flight.
Very exciting. An all-nighter. It's gonna be fun.
Let's go! That's a little bit sketchy though. What did you say?
Are we ever coming back out?
Maybe. Surprise, we're not going to Jeju.
Only men. Like, only
Snoring and sleeping.
No, literally. But this is interesting. I like this experience. I'm happy
Yeah.
that we're doing it. It's
Yeah.
really good.
We're just
Yeah.
waiting now for Teva and Ian.
Yeah.
I don't know what they're doing. We
Yeah,
were
I
so
don't
quick.
know. Yeah.
But
Maybe they're brushing each other's hair. Who knows? But we'll see them soon.
Actually, what are you showing us?
Okay, I'm showing you how to make a sheep towel.
Like from the K-drama.
Yeah, so one fold, two fold, like that. And then you take your corner and you just fold it in like about 3 times, right? 3 times. So 1, 3. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to squeeze it. We'll find out. You flipped it?
Yeah.
Okay, flipped it, make a little hole, like a little basket. and
Uh-huh.
then
Cute!
You're done. Do I look ridiculous?
No, you look cute. Teva,
Yes.
how warm is it in here?
Really warm. 33 degrees Celsius, which is in Fahrenheit. I don't know.
How do we feel about this experience?
Weird. But at least we're together. That's pretty good. There are many people sleeping here and snoring. Guys, mostly guys. And starting to sweat already.
So guys, what time is it now?
It's like
It's 3:50 a.m.
How do we feel?
Tired.
Tired.
dead.
Now we're on the way to the airport. Checking if we can find it on the bus.
Let's go to the beach, each, let's go get away. That's what I have to tell myself to make it through. Oh, it hasn't started yet.
Yeah.
7 minutes.
Then let's walk, right?
Yeah, let's do it. Honestly, I think it'll be good for us.
Yeah, to wake up.
And I haven't reached my 10,000 steps. This is good.
Tired.
A little bit. I mean, for the moment it's fine. But knowing that we have one more day.
Yeah.
As soon as the check-in opens, it's going to be fine.
Yeah, because there's no one there and it's closed. We're so lost. We don't know how to get to the domestic terminals. The sky's beautiful.
It is. But we're even
Ruining the.
We love our bus drivers.
Yeah. Stuff in my hand. I'll put it in my bag.
Alright, let's
To the
go.
gate.
Oh my god.
Why?
It's a cool transition. So later.
We just arrived in Jeju Island, as you can see behind us, and it's raining over there. It's gonna be raining maybe for the 4 days, but we're gonna have fun, I guess.
What a journey. We've barely had any sleep. I think altogether I've had like 3 hours. I don't know about you guys. Yeah. We've probably got a full day of activities. We can only check in at like 3 o'clock, so it'll be very tiring, but I'm looking forward to it.
And so we're gonna rent a car. So we're gonna pick up the car.
I just hope it doesn't like I hope we don't have to go too far to like get to it.
No,
Hopefully it's fun.
I don't think so. It's probably just with the shuttle bus. So.
So Tiva got some Daiso Crocs.
Show them the drip.
Adidas.
Adidas.
Adidas, new brand.
Yeah.
Brand new brand. Yeah, for the rain, good for the rain. It's raining outside.
Low-key, they go with this outfit better. These white ones.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Yeah, they go with your outfit. They match your shirt. But go with your outfit.
How do they feel?
Not bad, that's good.
Do they feel like 3,001?
If it's just for a small walk, it's fine. But hiking Halasan with them, challenging.
Challenging.
I will just be barefoot.
So now we're going to drive to a breakfast place because it's
Yeah.
only 8:30, and then we will see what we will discover, and then go to the Airbnb, have a little nap, and then go to the night market.
Let's do it. Need some coffee.
Need some food.
See you in a bit.
Hey guys, we're at Cafe Kiwi. No. Cafe Jeju Kiwa, and we're about to go ham on this brunch. It looks good. We're so hungry.
Yeah, I mean, we waited for it a good while, but
Yeah.
it looks worth it. So
Yeah.
let's
eat.
enjoy.
Yeah, be good.
So we have 3 youth and 1 adult. I'm the only adult. But it's super cheap. The youth is 1,351, the adult is 2,501. So it's a little cheap.
It's my last year of youth.
Got the babies.
We're the babies. You and I are the babies.
And Teva.
Last year, baby.
So and now we're going to hike. Let's go.
So which way are we going?
This way. I mean, we're here at the moment.
Thursday there's a really nice view.
So I guess we'll walk up here.
Where's the waterfall?
There's 1, 2, and 3 somewhere. I think.
3. Yeah.
Fall number 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. We try to reach all of them.
Really? Are we? Oh,
It's
okay.
not that far. It's only 1 kilometer to
Oh.
that one.
Okay. Yeah,
The
let's
first
go.
one is 200 meters, the second one 500, and the third one 1,000 meters.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
okay. Just went to the first one, now the second one. That one. Okay, now we all have coins and we're going to throw them in here because it's the fountain of five blessings, five blessings.
Yeah.
So some of them are love,
Yeah, the duck is love, the dragon is honor, the tortoise is longevity, the whore is I don't know. I forgot. We'll read the
One is
sign.
sun.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna go for love.
I'm going for love. I'm throwing it in front of the duck.
Yeah, I wanted a dragon, but I'm gonna switch for love.
Okay, then let's go.
I'll put one in each one.
Oh,
Oh!
that's a good idea. You throw
Okay.
it, you take back the coin, you throw it again.
So Ian, tell us, how does it work?
You have to stand here,
Yeah?
get your coin, and then hit it into the bag like between all five of them.
Oh!
1,001 later.
Oh! Oh, way too far.
One last one.
One last one. Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum.
I'll put one in each one.
Oh! I went behind. Go, Wesley. Oh! That one in!
I did it! Wherever my European boyfriend is, I love you.
Okay, Tema, what are you?
Let's go.
That's crazy.
Oh.
Lonely.
Can you also take a video of me?
Yeah. All right. Last up is our lovely lady Franca.
The only
And what are you
adults
wishing for?
love, obviously.
Oh, you know what? Nobody saw that. Nobody saw it. It didn't count. It didn't go.
We got really wet, all in the car now, heading to the cliff.
The cliff.
The clear.
It's 6 minutes drive from the waterfall, so I mean, look at that. Ah! So yeah, see you when we're there.
We're at Jjinjilbang Gully Cliff. The weather is getting worse, but it doesn't matter. We're making it through.
Murder happening behind me.
Just kidding me.
He's already wet everywhere. He's just
So my legs don't get.
So guys, we're drenched wet as you can see, but we made it to our last stop for now, to the everyday Ole market. It's like a market with fresh seafood and stuff, so we're gonna get there for lunch. And after that we will go back to the car and go back to the Airbnb to dry a little bit, to sleep a bit, and then rest.
Chill.
And then
Yeah.
tonight another adventure waits for us. actually have the microphones. Now let's get the party started. The calamar.
Calamar. Just on the
They're
paper.
just talking
Get the
nonsense.
passport.
Nonsense. The calamar.
Calamar.
Okay, so this is called the whirlwind sausage, I think. Whirlwind hot dog. Let's give it a try. Very good.
Good?
Looks like tempura on the outside or something.
Good. Good.
Okay, this is a red bean donut.
bean donut.
It's warm. Ooh, that's good. It's like the donut is like donutty and sweet, and the red bean paste is like more savory. I like that. That's really good.
Just arrived at the accommodation. Homestay. Cheap. Let's have a look. You should have a shower
Yeah, I know.
immediately.
I need it.
Immediately.
Oh look, we have a balcony. Little balcony. It's also nice. Oh look, there's a whole mirror front to your right.
Nice, you can see every inch of your body.
While skiing. Kitchen. Oh, it also has everything. Oh, they have a dryer.
Oh, nice.
I think so. Ooh, it's warm in here. Well, we're safe.
And if you were the kind of one, like, ah, madre.
Teva. Teva.
Is that your impression of me?
Where are we going?
We are going to the fried chicken place.
And it's not raining.
And it's not raining anymore. Yeah! We should enjoy that moment.
Alrighty.
Now let's see. We earned it. We did.
We have a pizza coming next.
And we also need to get to room for tomorrow. 10 hours.
Transition.
So now we're going back to the Airbnb.
Yep.
Brush
We're
our
gonna
teeth.
have a movie night. No, I'm kidding.
And then just fall dead
Yeah.
in bed.
Sorry.
And then tomorrow we have to get up at
We're
5.
gonna get up at 5, leave by 5:30, buy our eggs and our,
Hike by
Yes.
6.
and then we're good to go.
Finish
we're gonna go
by
to the mountain,
16.
the mountain, or.
Yeah, so stay tuned for part 2. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Good night, guys.